Alright guys, so what we got here is a 2018 FatBob 114. We've come up to our 1,000 miles and it's time to do the service. I didn't want to pay the astronomical fee of having this done. Plus I want to use my own oil. I don't really get into what oil. I don't want to start an oil controversy. But pretty in depth. It's not too bad. That's the full service now. So we will be checking pretty much everything. Every fastener needs to be checked. Everything you can get your hands on. Obviously the oil. We took a look at the steering bearings, and that's just a check they do. I've checked the brakes already. I did not video that. And one thing I did leave out was the clutch adjustment. It was actually doing pretty good, and there's this plastic crap inside there, and I was like, I don't know how to adjust this, so I'm gonna wait. It's fine for right now. I'm gonna tackle it at the next service, which won't be long, because I ride the crap out of this thing. Everything went well, so let's see what's going on. Thanks, guys.
Stressful times of your life. At this very time, some unethical lawyers or their representatives, known as runners, may reach out directly to you. This is not allowed. I'm John Morgan of Morgan Morgan. Many times we find that one of these runners will actually go to the hospital looking for clients. If this occurs, you are most likely entitled to all your legal fees back and the costs you were charged. Additionally, my worry is that a lawyer who would risk their license to practice law may well have settled your case for less than it was worth. Desperate people do desperate things. You may have a legal malpractice claim as well. Call us to see if you're entitled to a full refund of your legal fee. Protect yourself and your family. Call us for more information.
Silence is the sound of brand new technology, bringing you amazingly fast, more reliable internet in every room for streaming all your favorite shows. And if you think that's silence, check out the sound of Xfinity X1 updating itself, so you always have the latest and greatest in a totally advanced, state-of-the-art fiber-based network infrastructure. At Comcast, we're continuing to make our technology more reliable. So enjoy the silence with our most reliable network ever. One that keeps you connected to what matters most to you, silently. Learn more at xfinity.com/service.
Morning, carpool buddy. What you got there?
It's a Polar Pop Cup.
Okay. This is New Rock.
Zombie outbreak passes and more. Come out here and race me for him. I'm a terrible driver. You'll win. It's Andretti Indoor Karting and Games. Come on down this way.
Lots of people used to like Pandora, but now